Hi. Go, you need to brush up on your English? Great. So, you have to learn phrasal verbs. They consist of 2 or 3 words and completely change the meaning of the verb. You might have heard them in famous songs. For example, take me on, take on me. Or maybe, this one. You really turn me on. You knock me off of my feet. The thing is that the English use phrasal verbs to talk about social interactions.
I was reading a book on concentration, and it dawned on me.
In everyday life, phrasal verbs often function as informal versions of more formal expressions.
How do you find the time?
Oh, I carve out a half hour here and there. Helps me relax.
Listen. Get the hell out of my office.
She almost flipped out.
Even though phrasal verbs might sound familiar, they can mislead you. If you know the basic ones, it helps you a lot. You get in the car. And you get out the car. While you get on the airplane, ship, or train. As well as, you get off them. You put on your cap. And take it off. If you want to relax, you sit down. And sit back. Later you sit up and stand up. If you want to put on your shoes, you might need to do your shoelaces up. At the same time, mothers often ask their children to do up the room, because they bring them up. Sometimes, both adults and children can look untidy, so they need to clean themselves up, change their appearance and clothes for the better. So they need to spruce themselves up or spruce it up. And before we wrap up, we ask you to brighten up and give the thumbs up to the video.